welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Let's start with gold prices, which have slipped off their recent 6-week high. We are seeing that gold prices are hovering nearly $25 to $30 lower, trading very close to $40 to $50 an ounce on Tuesday, as investors took some profits at the latest 6-week high. Amid mounting expectations of a US interest rate cut next week. Now, traders are currently assigning an 88% probability of a 25 basis points reduction at the Fed's upcoming meeting, reinforced by weak US economic data and dovish comments from several Fed officials. Having said so, the markets are going to be watching the November ADP employment figures and the September PCE data. Copper prices have eased from this recent record high of $11,339 a ton, and it's currently trading just above $11,200 a ton. Investors stayed focused on the future supply risk following China's planned output cut and Codelco's premium hike. We have seen Shanghai copper was down below 89,000 yuan a metric ton after having touched a record high close to 90,000 Chinese yuan a ton earlier this session. Copper prices on LME have declined close to 11,160 and $200 odd a ton. Market is still focused on the supply risk, as I mentioned, because the Chinese smelters plan to cut production by nearly 10% next year. Aluminium prices continue to hover near 3-week high, supported by growing expectations of a December US rate cut after dovish signals from Federal Reserve officials. Having said so, we have seen that the Shanghai monitored aluminium inventories have fallen by nearly 7% since last Friday, and the International Aluminium Institute reported that global primary aluminium output has risen only by 0.6%, which indicates a limited production rise. Having said so, China's import of unwrought aluminium and aluminium products have risen by nearly 11% YY in the month of October. Oil prices continue to stay firm above $63 a barrel for second consecutive session as market participants assessed risk stemming from Ukrainian drone strikes on Russian energy sites and mounting US-Venezuela tensions. Last but not the least, raw sugar prices have settled down sharply by nearly 3%, hovering close to 14.76 cents per pound amid talk of Thai hedging and a weak technical picture as the support of $14.85 was broken.